how do I make my front camera on iPhone better? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to elevate your selfie game or enhance your video calls, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into how to make your iPhone's front camera look better. So first things first, let's talk about the basics. A clean lens is crucial for great quality. So you can grab a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the front facing camera. You'd be surprised how much a little smudge can affect your shots. So next you can check for your screen protector. If it's scratched or damaged, it might be time for a replacement. Then you can change your camera settings. For that, head over to the settings and then you need to go to camera. So here you can scroll down and then you can see composition and you can see mirror front camera. You can toggle it on or off according to your choice, and then you can go to formats and then change your format to high efficiency. So Uh, also, consider using a ring light or external lighting if you're in a dim environment. And then this can dramatically improve your video quality, making your selfies and calls look professional. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.